Hello, thank you for watching this video. Now we will list your business. If you are subscribed with the RoyalPOS, we will list your business on a Capto. Capto is an app where it is for the delivery and pickup online ordering for your customers. Without right now we do not have a payment gateway, but we will add for each country very soon. So now to set up your Capto locations, what you need to do, you will just log in with your admin panel. Click here. It is we have given the shortcut. Otherwise, you can go from the more and the Capto settings. Okay, so once you have this, you can check all the locations which you have mapped here. But right now we do not have any, so we will list enable this locations. Okay, so this is enable on the laptop, and now I will deliverable zip codes where we are doing the delivery, or you can just mention your postal code or zip code here. Okay, this is the latitude and longitude. So here you can get this from the Google map. Okay, here it is a note. Note is about how is there any predefined request for the customer, like we will deliver your order in 30 minutes, or you can take your order in 20 minutes from the restaurant. Okay, so this will be displayed. So this will be displayed on the Capto app once the user will go into your profile. And this is the opening time and closing time. So we show the customer that this location is open or not. This is minimum total bill. If there is any kind of a minimum bill like $10, you have to order for $10 or $5, so they can do that. Here Capto delivery status. If we do not deliver if you do not deliver at your home, at the home of the customer, then you just can disable this option, and so customer can just order for the pickup. Okay, so right now I will enable this. Delivery distance, this is same as the zip code, but we will show nearby your distance to the customer, so it will be nearby or not. So this is the delivery charge. If you are charging anything for the delivery, let's say for $2 for the delivery, and minimum bill should be 10. If they order bill over the 10, then $2 will be layoff, right? So there will be no delivery charge if they order more than a $10. Okay, if you do not want like this, then you can make it more bigger number if you always want to charge the delivery charge. Okay, so I will put 10 here. Now modify order. If some customer order but you do not have that item, suppose you forgot to change the status of your item on the RoyalPOS app, you can change the status of the which inventory is available or not, which item is available or not from the RoyalPOS app itself. So it will not be display on the app on the Capto, right? This is the packaging charge. Packaging charge has two types. If you can set per order or per item. Suppose customer has if you set the per item and customer order 3 items, so 3 times this charge will be. Suppose it is $1 per item, so $3 will be there. If the quantity is 3, so 3 will be there. Okay, if you set a per order, then packaging charge will be F. So you can set 0, none. Okay. Now description is like you are a grocery shop or bakery, or keep it simple because it is not more than 40 characters, Okay, so I will write down takeaway restaurant. Okay, now I have saved. So once you save it, you will we will get your request from to approve this. But before that, in between that, you can set up your menu. How you set up the menu? Let's set up your menu. If you do not come, you can just go from here also, online inventory manage. Okay, if you do not see this menu, just refresh this page and you will get this menu as well in the more. So now let's select the food club. Okay, now which category will be available online? If suppose you do not want to show all the categories, like you have some extras for your only in-house, so you do not want to display that on the online app. So we will just enable all the items here, because this is a demo account. And now make sure if you are recommended items, so make sure you upload the photos. You need to upload the photos from the item itself. Okay, so this is a variation category. This is variation category. Now you can select and save. So all the items which you have choose here will be shown on the app. Right now, you can also charge it different for the online ordering if you want to give some discount. Otherwise, if you want to charge something more for okay, so you can change the prices here from the more online item prices, right? So you can change the prices here, like 100, because my 80 was the price for the walk-in customers on the POS RoyalPOS, but now I want to change the price on the Capto app. So this will change. Now suppose you are off today and you need to close the Capto app. You do not want to get the orders from the Capto app, so you can just set the Capto status disable. Okay, and this option will be also available on your RoyalPOS app. Once your account is approved, you just need to log out once and log in again, and you will see the online transaction in the side menu. Okay, and you can disable the item as well as your location. I will share the video with you for the same as well, how you can use that.